Hey everyone, here's how to fix system errors the easy way. First, open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scano. Let it run and complete the scan. This will automatically fix any corrupted system files. Once that's done, go to the search bar and type Services. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, then double-click it. Set the startup type to automatic, click Start, then press OK. Next, on your keyboard, type the letter W to jump down and find Windows Update. Do the exact same steps. Set it to automatic, click Start, then OK. After that, search for change date and time settings. Make sure your time zone is correct and set time automatically is turned on. Scroll down a bit and click Sync Now. Finally, open Troubleshoot Settings. Click Other Troubleshooters and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Once everything is done, restart your PC and your issue should be fixed. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows tutorials.